चलो माँ संगे so he's going to come with me कहाँ जाता Morning. I want to welcome you on behalf of the special administrators and the CEO and the team to Savusavu Town Council office. And I know you must be thinking, where is my market? Yeah? I know that is the hot topic for Savusavu. Now, yesterday we had our ratepayers meeting, and I also explained to them the reason why the market project could not be delivered on time. Right, so one of the problems that we have faced is the funding. UN Women, they had given 420,000 towards this project, and 400,000 came from the government. Unfortunately, 400,000 was used up by the town council, right? The management team then, they used up that money, which was not meant to be. That money was supposed to go towards the market construction, whereas the UN money is still intact. So from the UN money, from 420, they have done some fish market, some renovation work went on, and some construction work was undertaken at the site. If you can recall all that work that was done. Then we had to pay for the geotech study, we had to pay for the architect, the engineer, the drawings that had to be done. So out of 420, about 60,000 plus was returned to UN Women because we were not making any progress with our project. So that's the current situation with the funding. Now again, when we looked at the market itself, the market was not designed by an architect. And what we needed was a good modern market so that it meets your needs as well as we grow, the market should be able to serve for future vendors. So that provision was not there in the design. So what are we doing now? What we have done, we have redesigned the market. Right, we've redesigned the market. We're creating a two-story complex, and you will have the market downstairs. We will also have the SME market upstairs for small businesses. Plus, there will be a conference room, and in the front will be the Savusavu Town Council office space. So that is the plan that we have. The architect has been working on the designs, etc. He has actually completed the concept, and we will be discussing that further. How he has come up with the plan so that we visualize on the ground how big the market will be and how tall the market will be and what provisions will be in the market. So that exercise we are doing today, and the architect he's coming in today. Right, so we will be going out to see the site and how we're going to work on the project. The place where you were before, at the back, that place is being renovated or rather fixed by the council. And I will ask the chair and Seema to explain the work that has been undertaken for that particular market. And then we'll continue with our discussion.
Seema, English last night, but I haven't checked in the morning. So maybe it has finished last night.
I've been in this market, I just started like last week. And I've been seeing all these market vendors when it rains, they really suffer under their tarpaulins, under their makeshift tarpaulins. Can the council get those coffins from Mombasa and erect them in the front?
Look, everyone is moving at the back.
We moved down, but there was some vegetable sellers left here, and we couldn't sell any of our produce because they were selling up here, and most of our produce was going into the bin. Like over here, we get money over here than compared from down there.
Everyone is moving at the back. That's why we have redone the temporary market, because that is not the place for selling. Right? We want to get rid of the congestion that we have. Always remember that running a municipal council is not only about vendors. It's about the kiosk owners, it's about the carrier, it's about the bus people. It's also about the ratepayers who pay the rate. They want their footpath to be clear. That's why they pay the rate. So once the temporary market is completely done, and today we're going to go down, have a look, making sure that there is no leakage and all your issues are addressed, then we'll set a date by when everyone has to move at the back. Yeah?
We are so thankful for all this. At least we have somewhere to sell. For the rain, there's no worry because rain comes. And the difficulties, sorry vendors, but we have to use our brains too.
Actually, I agree with you. In the past, people didn't, there was no market. They were selling on the roadside. No one was complaining, heat, rain, leakage, everything. They were happily selling. Right now, we're creating good markets. Right, really high standard market. And the Market Vendors Association, when you have your own gathering with other markets, you hear the development that has taken place, like Namaka Market, we've got Riki Riki Market, Langere, Nosori, all these new markets have come up. So similarly, we want to add a new market in Savusavu, and it is for all the vendors. And do note, we understand that that's why we are fixing it. We're not saying we're not listening to you. We are listening to you. We're trying to fix that place, make it really acceptable, and then you all move down. Right. And when you move down, you all will be paying your rates. Your stall fees. Some of you are paying, you've started paying now. So you all will be paying your stall fees. So we'll fix that area. Okay, anyone else? Thank you so much for being here, and I want to re-emphasize, we need to create a market that is fair to everyone, right? Not only for one group of people. It has to be fair to everyone. And a market should be run on rules and regulations, right? And there has to be a lot more clarity on that, which we will provide. We will provide that level of clarity required. Like some of you may be confused, what can I sell, what I can't sell. So once we have a list there, then there is no problem. Even the market regulation, we will change it into vernacular language so that you can read it in your own language to understand what the law says. Okay? All right. Oh, that's
Oh yes, yes.
We're going to utilize that to talk about the previous contract.
Right.
Well, those are going to go up. Support the top.
So if this is our walkway in that building, open space.
Yes.
So are you saying let's pop out to...
It was probably that column.
I think it is this one.
Yeah?
It's this one.
This
So
one?
you guys are knocking down that concrete.
No, we're not going to knock anything down there.
It's
We've
this
got to find them, and this would be, there would be that this walkway connecting this here.
Or even throw.
One building as a bunch of
But the floor seems to be.
यहाँ पे कहीं लोग बोलता है I think फ्लो कहाँ पे है तो बोलता है फ्लो वाला
And you would that she will be the one who guide us.